Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm going to be installing this wig two ways, glueless, and obviously finish her off like this. If you want to know all the details about today's install, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is Tinashe hair. If you guys know anything about me, you know that I love working with Tinashe hair. I have installed today a glueless 22-inch water wave 5x5 closure wig. So I do not have this wig secured, as you can see. I will be installing this wig glueless today.
Oh, we're living in the present.
Okay, so I just put the wig on. I didn't do anything else so far. I'm just gonna clip the hair back.
Knowing what we lose. Don't know what will last. Yeah. The things you always dare to dream.
I'm gonna use this dye pen to just go cover up that lace right there. I think I am gonna go in with some lace tint.
As the pain begins to ease, not often we can see the beauty in the pain.
I don't want the lace to be too dark. I'm just gonna remove some of it, because I think for it to really look glueless, it has to match your skin tone perfectly too. So I'm just removing some of the lace tint that I put on.
You'll be fine, you'll be fine, fine.
Yeah, that looks good.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Hair mousse to see if we can just semi-lay those baby hairs down.
Be fine. Start living for the moment. Letting go of the past. Yeah. Start cherishing what you hold dear. And we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be.
This is the wig 100% glueless. You can definitely wear her glueless. She is there. She's not moving around. Like, I need some baby hairs. I need some edges, something secured down. And to finish off the look, I'm just using this Aussie curl mousse. This is a water wave, so this hair likes to be wet with water and styled, right? Now the lace is giving me HD transparent. That's just my opinion personally. The density is 180%, and this is definitely styled length 22. It's giving me 24-inch styled actually. Water wave texture has been my favorite curly hair texture since like forever. There are combs here, and then there has a strap and it's secured. I don't feel like this wig is gonna go anywhere, or like it's not gonna fly off my head. So I want to spray a bit of hairspray on it because that's just my style, right? Like we can't end the video with it not being secured. So I'm going to end this video off with it melted down. And that is why I love closure wigs. Up close, now I melted her down really quickly. I love this wig. I think you guys should check it out. If you want to check it out, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. And this is the wig styled better like this, right? Okay, I gotta go, bye.